Look at that! The perfect pancake stack. But making perfect pancakes is impossible. They stick together, and when you try to flip them, they fold and flop. Stop with Flippin Fantastic, the fast, easy, and fun way to make perfect pancakes as good as Grandma's. Just place Flippin Fantastic in a preheated pan, lay the batter down, and let them brown. Now, just lift and flip. That's it! In no time, they finish to a golden brown and are ready to serve. The side holds batter to the perfect shape for even cooking, while the flat bottom ring supports everything. So when it's time, simply lift and flip. Serve them to your family and watch them disappear like magic. Add chocolate chips or blueberries right into the batter. Try a sprinkle of powdered sugar or add your favorite fresh fruit. And it's awesome with eggs. Just crack them in the ring and let them do their thing. Go sunny side up or flip them for over easy. Scramble things up for incredible quiche. Or turn frozen string potatoes into hot and crispy hash brown. Flippin Fantastic is stovetop safe silicone, so it won't burn or damage your pan. While the easy flip grips keep hands safely away from the heat. And to clean, simply rinse or rack in the dishwasher. Stop pancake flops forever with Flippin Fantastic.